In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify Paybis account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you can use the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, which will take you to the official Paybis website, and from there you want to first create your account. In case you don't know how to do that, you can watch the video on my channel. I have a video tutorial on how to actually create a Paybis account as well, so watch that first. And then after you do that, create your account, you'll be able to go inside this member area over here, which is what I'm seeing right now. So to now verify your account, you want to click on the top over here where you should see this little warning icon. So just hover over your profile over here and click on verification where it says please verify your account. So after you do that, it's going to say your account is not verified. You want to click on start verification. And then here it's going to take you to the first page where essentially what you have to do in here is you'll have to put in some of your info, okay? So you have to put in some like your address, like your personal info essentially, and then you can either go ahead and continue here on the website or you can continue on phone, okay? So of course, you'll have to go through these steps. Should be pretty quick to actually set this up. And then if you continue on web over here, you'll be able to review it after that. Or if you continue on phone, you can of course do it on the phone as well. You'll be able to click here, scan the QR code, and then go ahead and actually go through. Okay, so that's how you actually do it. Just put in your info, go to the end, keep pressing continue, keep putting in the info it's required, and after you're done, you'll be able to review everything and then therefore verify your account that easily. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.